HIV is a type of virus which causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which reduces the immunity of a person and may cause many opportunistic infections and cancers. The most common cause of HIV spread is sexually transmitted route, but it can also spread from blood, usage of infected needles or surgical instruments, usage of infected material in tattooing or making a hole in the skin, or usage of infected blades. Yes, it can also spread from mother to a child during pregnancy or during delivery or through breastfeeding. The initial symptoms of HIV are non-specific. It can be fever and sore throat, which usually last for 1 to 2 weeks, but virus would stay in the body and would grow slowly. When the viral load of the HIV is increased, patient develops symptoms relating to AIDS, which can be anorexia, lack of energy, early fatigability, bruisability over the body, multiple enlarged lymph nodes, and persistent diarrhea, white spots on the skin. HIV does not spread through mosquitoes or flies, handshaking or hugging any infected person, or eating with any person. HIV testing is offered for all the patients who is suffering from hepatitis C, tuberculosis, a candidate of dialysis, pregnant ladies, any person who is transfused with unprotected blood, any person who has undergone any procedure with the unprotected instrument, any person who is having any kind of sexually transmitted disease. Medication principle for HIV is similar to diabetes and hypertensive, in which disease cannot be cured completely, but with the usage of medicine, disease can be protected. Safe and healthy lifestyle prevents you from any kind of infective disease.